Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, write a Java program to concatenate the given strings. Let me answer this question with practical demonstration. There are multiple ways of concatenating the given strings in Java programs. So I have collected four different ways. First way is by using this plus operator, okay, plus symbol operator, where plus will not act like an addition operator when you are, operating that with string text. Plus will act like a concatenation operator instead of addition operator. The next one is we have a direct method in string class known as concat method. Okay, concat method of the string class you can use for concatenating the multiple strings in Java programs. Third way is by using the append predefined method of the string builder class. And the fourth way is by using the same append predefined method of the string buffer class. Okay, coming to the difference between string builder and string buffer, in single threaded environments, okay, where multi-threads are not there, in such cases, we have to use string builder. Where multiple threads are there, we have to go for string buffer. Okay, in string builder in single threaded environment will be very fast in appending. Okay, if you use in single threaded environment, if you use string buffer, it will become slow. So it's you have to think twice. Okay, which append method of string builder you are using or append method of string buffer you are using. So in a single threaded environment, when there is no possibility of multiple threads in the program, then go for the string builder and use the append method. Okay, if you are working in a multi-threaded environment, then go with append method of the string buffer because it is thread safe. Though it's slow, it will make sure that the thread related problems will not come. Okay, multiple thread related problems won't come. In such kind of multi-threaded case, we have to use append method of the string buffer. But no matter what, whether our program is single threaded or multiple threaded, okay, I'm going to demonstrate all these ways in Java programs to concatenate the given strings. Okay, whenever you get this question, don't simply use concat method and say that, okay, this is the answer. Okay, give all the ways. Okay, this is an opportunity for you to, okay, explain to the interviewer that there are multiple ways using which you can concatenate the strings in Java. If you show all these ways, then the just with that single question, the interviewer will get a confidence on you that this guy knows a lot of stuff. Okay, that is what is important in the interviews, guys. So for that, I'll switch to Eclipse IDE and create a new class here. Okay, I'll create a new class. I'll simply name the class as class 37. It's already there. Then 38, random class, main method. Click on that. So I'll collect I can provide this inputs here itself, or I can collect this string inputs, whatever I need to concatenate from the user, I can collect them. So it's better when you write this kind of code, you try to collect these inputs from the user. So I'll create an object for the scanner class. Scanner is equal to new scanner. So let's say I'll write some program here, Control Shift O, and here I'll say system.in. So when I say Control Shift O, the scanner class got imported from java.util package, and here system.in will say that the scanner is going to intake the inputs from the user. During the runtime, I'll display this message to the user so that by looking at this particular message, user will enter the, okay, text whatever, enter your first name. Okay, I'll ask the user to enter the first name. Then that first name that is entered by the user, I would like to collect here. One example I'm taking is it may not be first name. You can ask the user to enter anything. Next line will collect the first name. Here I'll say string first name is equal to, okay. Then I'll ask the user to enter his last name. Enter your last name. Then the user has to enter the last name like scanner dot next int, next line, scanner dot next line. I'll write this out, scanner dot next line, and this will return you string last name. Okay, last name is equal to. Now after that, okay, string first name, string last name. Once we got the string first name, all the inputs are done, guys. I'll close the scanner object, scanner dot close, so that memory leak won't happen and we don't have to give a chance to the garbage collector mechanism in Java to come and clean that unusable objects anymore. Okay, so better to close it by yourself as a good practice. So whenever you are writing the code, make sure that you write scanner.close so that the interviewer will also know that you are following some best practices or good practices while writing the code. Once we collect the first name and last name from the user, I want to concatenate. Okay, how to concatenate? System.out.println. First name, here I'll write, guys. Okay, you can write something like this. Okay, or you can write like this. Okay, first name plus there should be some space, right? So I'm this string text I'm not collecting because any first name and last name will be separated by the space only. So I don't have to collect from the user last name. Here, this plus symbol will act like a concatenation operator where the string in the first name is concatenated with this space and space. This first name and space will be concatenated with the last name, and the resultant full name I'll store into the string here. Okay. String full name is equal to like the system.out.println. And if I say full name, okay, I'll just write down like this. Your full name is, I'll write the program like this. I'll write down plus this particular full name. Your full name is the full name of the user. Arun space Motori will be printed if I enter that Arun Motori, for example. Okay. I'll run the code. This is the first way I'm explaining, guys, using the plus symbol for concatenation I'm doing. Enter your first name. If I enter my first name as Arun, yes, my first name is Arun. So it's asking me to enter the last name. I'm entering my last name as Motori. Press enter. Then it will say your full name is Arun Motori. That's good. It's working fine. This is the first way, guys. So I'll comment this out. The first way I'll comment it out. Okay, I'll go for the another way now. The next possible way for appending, that is by using the predefined method of the string class known as concat method. The plus symbol is very easy when compared to the concat method. So but still I can explain that. First name dot concat. This is string only, right? First name is string. Using the object reference of the string class, I'm using a concat, and here I'm going to concat some space here. Say dot. The resultant of this concat is again a string, guys. The resultant of this concat method is again a string. So using the object of the string, I'll say dot concat of my last name. Okay, I'll give the last name here. I'll give the first name dot concat space dot concat of last name. Okay, you can give this last name as a argument to this concat. Okay, here space you give, here last name you give. So the resultant of this concat is a string. So string, I'll write simply full name is equal to string full name is equal to. I'll write the print statement to see whether the concat method is also working similar to the plus operator, like it's a concatenation plus symbol operator. System.out.println. Okay, your full name is okay plus full name. Okay, so previous code I have commented, so it is not going to run. So now I'll just print out the full name, which is formed with the help of concat predefined method of the string class in Java. Run this code and observe what is happening. Your full name is Arun Motori, should be printed. It last for first name Arun, last name is Motori. Your full name is same answer you got, Arun Motori. By using the plus symbol, you got the same thing. By using the concat method, you got the same thing. I personally prefer to use a plus symbol because it's easy when compared to the concat method. Fine. The second way is also done. Now, third way is by using the string builder, okay, which is a single threaded. In the single threaded environment, you use append predefined method of the string builder to concatenate. So how to do that? First, string builder, SB is equal to new string builder. Like that, you write the code. Okay. You create an object for the string builder, like the string builder is equal to string builder is equal to new string builder, like that. After that, you write down SB dot append. SB dot append of what I need to append. I need to append the first name. Initially, string builder doesn't have any string, any text, any string, nothing is there. So I am appending the first name to the empty string. Then to that I'm appending this space between the first name and last name. I have to append the space. The original SB will get converted here. Dot append here last name. I'll append the last name text here. The original SB will get appended, guys. Okay, I don't have to store this append method. You see, it is returning the string builder and all. You don't have to do anything. The original SB, earlier it has an empty string, right? Now string builder will have Arun space Motori stored here. So now in order to print that, system.out.println, or we can they say something, guys. Okay, whatever the string builder is there, right? They have that you have to convert to string. SB dot to string you have to call the method. Okay, so the string builder will be converted to string format. String full name. This is a way of writing the code, guys, for string builder. So system.out.println, here write down your full name is plus that full name. Okay, this is the third way I'm explaining. In single threaded environment, you can use string builder, and using the append predefined method of the string builder class, you can do the concatenation here and run the code. and convert the string builder into the string format and then print the string here. Okay. Run the code, you'll get the same output when you enter Arun and Moturi here. You'll get the same output. Arun, last name is Moturi, your full name is Arun Moturi, you got the same output. This is by using the string builder. Now the last way, that is by using the append method of the string buffer class, which generally string buffer is used in place of string builder in multi-threaded environments. Okay. So because it is kind of slow and it can tackle the multi-threads and all. Okay. String buffer, right? Buffer. Okay. String buffer SB is equal to new string buffer. I'll write new string buffer. String buffer SB is equal to new string buffer. And again, here empty string is there. Again, we have to use the same format dot append of, sorry, dot append of, I'll give the first name here. I'll append the first name here. Dot to the first name, I'll append what? To the first name, I'll append space, and to that space and first name and space, I'll append my last name here. Last name, I'll append, put a semicolon here, and the resultant is, okay, here original SB will be appended with the Arun space Moturi, and I have to convert that SB to string again, the same format. Okay, but it is multi-threaded environment. You can generally use string buffer in place of string builder, and toString method will convert into string. String full name is equal to, and here you can write a print statement saying system.out.println, your full name is, okay, your full name is colon, and write down plus full name, okay, and put a semicolon here. That's it. Run the code, you'll get the same output. All these ways will give you the same output, guys. Again say Arun, again say Moturi. Your full name is Arun Moturi will be printed. So hope guys you got all the ways of all the different ways of concatenation. You can do concatenation using plus operator. You can do the concatenation using concat method. You can do the concatenation using append predefined method of string builder in single threaded environments, append predefined method of string buffer in multi-threaded environments. These are the multiple ways of concatenation in Java programs. So if you want to take a screenshot of this code, you can take the screenshot and try in your machine, practice it, guys, so that you'll become more confident to answer such kind of questions in the interviews. So I'm passing so that you can take a screenshot. So hope guys you have taken the screenshot for this code. So hope guys you got the answer for this question with practical demonstration. All the multiple ways for concatenating multiple strings in Java I have covered in this session. All the 4 different ways, using plus symbol, using concat method, using append method of string builder class, append method of string buffer class. This concat method belongs to string class. All these ways we can concatenate strings in Java. Whenever you get this question, don't make it simplified. This kind of questions you have to answer in a detailed way so that the interviewer will understand how much skill set you have in Java programming. Okay. So hoping that you got the answer for this question. That's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.